Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check iPhone real or fake with serial number. If you're using any iPhone and you want to check your iPhone is it real or fake with the help of serial number, so let's see how can you do that. You have to open your settings, then go for general, go for about, and here you will get the option of serial number. You have to keep a long press on it to copy that. So once you have copied your serial number, you have to go to home screen. Open up your browser and here you have to search for checkcoverage.apple.com. Here's the link of website. You have to make sure that you have the correct website. Here is the checkcoverage.apple.com. So simply search for it. And once you have that, you'll get a this type interface here. Here you can see how to automatic download in app content. So you can easily continue if you want. And here what you have to do now. Here you will get the option of enter serial number, or if you can't get the option here, you have to simply open up your search again, and here this time you have to search for only check coverage. And once you have searched, you have to open the second website from here, and here you have to paste your copied serial number. So once you have pasted, simply tap on this check option, and here you have to verify yourself. And once you have verified, it will give you results, so you must have to wait for it until it's loading. And after the loading you will get the results here, and from here you can easily check if your iPhone is real or fake. So in this way you can easily check if your iPhone is real or fake with the help of serial number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.